Good morning, I'm Alicia Fowler, Operations Officer with the Florida Division of Emergency Management State Watch Office, and this is the Daily Situation Report for Saturday, May 23, 2009. The State Emergency Operations Center has activated to a Level 2 due to flooding issues in various areas of the state. St. Lucie Nuclear Power Plant Unit 2 is down for maintenance purposes. All other Florida nuclear power plants are at full operation status. No major electrical outages are reported. All airports and seaports in the state are open and operating normally. All major highways in the state are open or will be open in the next 12 hours. U.S. health officials have declared a public health emergency for the H1N1 swine flu virus. No confirmed or suspected attacks on major computer networks in the state, and there are no known border security issues at this time. And now the weather report.
Thank you, Alicia. Unsettled weather conditions will continue across the state today. An area of low pressure about 150 miles south of Mobile, Alabama, will continue to track north-northwest today and move inland along the Mississippi coastline this afternoon. There is a chance that this system could briefly become a tropical depression this morning before it moves inland, and the National Hurricane Center has indicated a high probability of formation. Whether the system develops or not, abundant and deep tropical moisture will continue to surge across the state and will continue a high chance for widespread coverage of showers and thunderstorms statewide today. Bands of storm activity rotating around the low-pressure area will be the main focus for showers and storms across the Panhandle and western half of the Florida Peninsula today and tonight, but East Coast areas will see a return to more summer-like conditions, with east winds pushing Atlantic showers along the coast during the morning and then shifting inland and becoming more numerous during the afternoon and evening as the sea breeze moves inland and west. Storm activity should begin to decrease statewide tonight, but a few showers and storms will remain possible into the overnight hours, especially along the East Coast and across the Florida Panhandle. Any thunderstorm that develops today, whether in rain bands or along the sea breeze, will have the potential to become strong or severe today. The strongest storms could contain gusty winds and small hail, but could also acquire the rotation necessary to produce an isolated tornado or waterspout. However, heavy rainfall will continue to be the main threat in thunderstorms statewide today. The greatest chance for heavy rainfall will be across the northwest Florida Panhandle, but any rainfall occurring along the Florida East Coast could exacerbate existing flooding conditions also. Because of the abundant rainfall, a river flood warning remains in effect for the St. Johns River at Astor and the St. Mary's River near McClenny. The St. Johns River appears to be leveling out just below flood stage and should remain steady through the next week. The St. Mary's River appears to be cresting this morning, about 1.6 feet above flood stage, and is forecast to very slowly recede through the next week. Black Creek at Middleburg has fallen below flood stage, and the Manatee River at Myakka Head is cresting below flood stage this morning. Swimming is not advised at Florida beaches today. Strong southeast winds will continue to produce a moderate to high risk of rip currents at all Atlantic coast beaches. Also, strong south winds along the Panhandle coast will continue a high risk of rip currents at most Florida Panhandle and Big Bend beaches. In addition, ocean swells along both coasts will continue to generate rough surf conditions capable of producing minor beach erosion during times of high tide.
Don't wait for hurricane season to prepare an emergency plan for you, your family, and pets. Be prepared. You can get a plan by visiting www.floridadisaster.org. And that's all we have for you today. You have a great Memorial Day weekend.